Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you all doing? Ellaru hegidira. So the plan is for today is to go ahead and unbox the top rack for Adventure 390 KTM. I did check out multiple brands. For example, Hyper Rider can be different, local, some Motec, whatever, different brands that is there, and the multiple fabricated ones as well. So I wanted a top rack that does not remove the grab handles, which is there for the pillion seat, right? So I wanted that. On top of that, I wanted to fix a what do you call the top rack. So I did make research. There was only a few brands. I think one of the one that stood out was Automill before it was called, and now it is called as MOTOVLOGGIng. I'll link in the description, so please go ahead and check out. So this is the brand I was talking about. So this is a sticker that they've sent. However, this is the package that it comes with. So you get in two brands, two things, right? So this is the box that it came up with. This is actually the moment I saw this was very lightweight for its size. But of course, I ordered the aluminum and not the steel one. Steel might be weight, gauge might be good, but it tends to rust and it can add a lot of weight to your motorcycle. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox the things that you're going to get. So you're going to get three beautiful stickers you can stick it. I don't stick anything on my motorcycle, but if you're a fan of sticking stickers on motorcycle, you get three different stickers. I'm guessing these are reflective. And then you have the grab handles on other side, one side, and followed by you have another grab handle for one more side. So I don't know how it goes. It should go like this as well. So then followed by you also get the nuts that is required, a combination of nuts, the longer one and shorter one, also a bit of spacers as well. So you get these many things, and then of course the one that's going to hold the top rack. So this is the thing that you're going to get. I'm not sure how it's going to age and everything, so I did order maybe about a week before, more than a week before. I think the amount of time it just took to come back was super high. So that's one of the reasons I did not like about the service or customer experience, because dropping from Pinya to my house, it's very close, it is less than 30 kilometers. So they took more than 8 or 9 days to deliver. So that is something which is not appreciable. But in terms of product, I'm not sure about the quality. It's aluminium. That the first look of it, it's very lightweight. Take a minute to unwrap all this so that you guys can take. You can see how exactly it looks. I have my cousin. Come here. You help me remove this. His name is Nitin.
Hi.
Open my door. So we both will do a bit of removing and stuff. So kids have holidays, so they've come home. So full of enjoying. Esh movie note Nitin nanne manelli
4 movies.
See, my home theaters are coming into use. So this is the one for the top rack case. It's pretty decent. I'm sure that it's gonna fit in the box that I'm gonna put. Please stay tuned. The box also is coming up very soon as well. And let's go ahead and unbox the another side handle or whatever. You get multiple colors as well. You get it in silver, and you get it also in a little bit of orange shade. But I prefer black because the orange and silver would look out more standing. So this is one of the sides, and other one is just getting wrapped. So give us a minute. And these are the number of screws that you're gonna get. If you guys can see, maybe I'll just keep my hand like this so you guys can see, right? There is 4 long bolts and 4 short ones. So we'll go ahead and install. And ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಇದರ ರೋಲ್ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಟೈಟ್ ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ನೀನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So this is another one. So there is 2 brackets like this. I think it would go in this pattern, but I'm going to put it and then check it out. I'm sure it's going to come up something like this. But I will fix the whatever the racks, mounts and everything. So stay tuned. I'll do it in the next video. So until then, take care, and happy to take any other follow-up questions. If you have any follow-up questions, please shoot it down below in the comment section. I will look into it. And until then, take care. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching video. Stay safe. Bye. Say bye, Nathan.
Bye.
And while we talk, there's someone who's just looking up. So that's my little one. So his name is Bruce. Hi Bruce, say hi to everyone. That's my cutie. So that's my little brother that I have. So he's my more of a strong strength. Alright, thank you so much for watching guys. See you in another vlog. Take care. Bye.